Hey, what's good? It's Crash Moto here, and today I'm going to be changing out my FZ-07 tire. I've got it pretty bad. Wires are showing, so today I'm gonna go ahead and get it taken care of. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today with you guys. So let's go ahead and roll this down to the truck. Try not to drop it. I'm only using one hand. Whew. Okay, just set her down right there. I got a bunch of stuff in the back of the truck. Move this out of the way. Chair, their bike helmet. Get this out of it. I gotta clean my truck too. Okay, tire. See if I can do this with one hand. Ooh. Okay, tire is secure. Let me just gotta take care of my baby, you know. Let me just put a seatbelt on her. There we go. She's nice and snug, ready to go. She's not gonna move anywhere. Look at that, beautiful. All right. Now, am I missing anything? Let me go ahead and close the garage. See if I can make it out of the garage. No problem. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and drive down there, and then I'll get back to you guys when we make it. Okay, we're recording again because I forgot my new tire. That would have been terrible if I left with no tire. Putting the rear tire back on the bike so I can show you guys how to do that. This is my first time doing it, so just bear with me. I'll probably time-lapse a bunch of it because I don't actually know what I'm doing. Now, where's my tire? Here it is. So, let's see. Got my dirt bike tire. Got my new Michelin. I mean, Bridgestone. This is definitely a Bridgestone, not a Michelin. Tire in. Door closed. Me in the car. Door closed. Seatbelt. Alright, I'll see you guys there. Okay, guys, we're gonna stop real quick and get some gas. I am really low on gas right now. We'll do that and then we will head out. So, okay. Gotta be careful with the door. Okay. Okay, so while that's filling up, I will definitely this time see you guys at the shop. Alright guys, we're here. I'm gonna go ahead and run inside and drop off the tire.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep it facing this way. I don't want y'all's faces and all that stuff in there. It's kind of weird recording in public, I must say.
Alright, better just grab a signature on that one.
Yep.
Spell the last name again for me. Got it.
Yep. I wasn't sure if you needed, like, for some reason, needed the sprocket on there.
No, it's yeah, I'd have to pull it, I'd slide it out anyway.
Oh, really? Alright, cool.
Alright, man, we'll hang out.
Alright.
I'll have it done in a jiffy.
Okay, thank you.
What year was that back again?
2016. Yep. Alright guys, so he's gonna get this done in about 20 minutes or so, and then we'll head back to the house. For now, I will go chill in my truck because there's nothing else to do. So, and if you guys are in the Texas area and you guys want to check out a really good, reputable motorcycle shop, go ahead and check out Dimicelli Power Sports Industries here right off of 287 and 287 and something. I am not sure. Just look it up. Look it up on Google. You'll figure it out. They are great. Josh here, he does a lot of the work. Yeah, just check them out on Google Maps and tell them that Emir sent you. All right, guys. I'll talk to you whenever I got my wheel back. Tire's ready. Okay. Oh, shoot. Don't forget the key. Quick, that was like 10 minutes. That was like a 10 minute service. That was really good.
Yeah, 43.30, bud.
Okay. What happened to that stool that was right here?
I'm sitting on it. Mine back here fell apart.
Fair.
Yeah, I need to get some more. Man, I've had these stools forever now.
Yeah. Oh, look at you upgrading to a much fancier one.
Gotta move with the progress, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Otherwise you get stuck in the history, in the past. Alright, put 42 PSI specification.
Okay.
So you're all set, brother.
Alright, appreciate it.
And I got about the front door over there.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
No problem, man. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too, man.
Thank you.
Okay. Oop. Cool. This tire is heavier than before, that's for sure. Man, I gotta pull my freaking seat forward. I dropped you guys on my first video. I dropped you guys. Oh my god. I don't even have a case on this thing. Did I break it? No. She's alright. Alright, we're good to go, guys. I'll talk to you guys when I get back to the house. Okay, so we're back now. I picked up some Sonic and I had to go to AutoZone and pick up myself some bearing grease for the axle. I'm gonna eat first and then I'll get on to installing the tire. So tire, new tire, food, axle grease, All right, guys, I'm gonna get back to you after I finish eating, and then we'll go ahead with the install of the new tire. So now that we got everything looped up, which is just the inside of this sprocket right here, it had some lubrication on it when I took it off, so I just added some more. Not sure if that's necessary. So we're gonna go ahead and start by putting these bolts back onto the rear disc brake, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. So we need to take these two things right here, carry them over. Sorry guys, I don't have a stand, so just bear with the camera angles for now. So we're gonna set this down here just like so. So we got the rear brakes, and we're gonna go ahead and reinstall these back whenever we put the tire on. This will all be time-lapsed, so let's go ahead and get the time-lapse started.
1 hour later.
Does it look straight?
Oh, yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it looks good.
Alright.
Looks good, buddy.
See if I need to charge my bike.
Nice.
I'm just letting it go.
Nice.
I'm gonna just quickly ride around the block and make sure there's nothing wrong with it.
Okay. Alright. Let me know how it feels.
Okay. Alright guys, that is how you install a rear tire. I gotta go test ride it and that'll be it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.